Hey there, dream chasers. Are you ready to unlock a world of possibilities right from your mobile device? Imagine this, you, making money online, on your own terms. No more rush hour traffic, no more office politics. Just you, your passion, and a cell phone. But here's the real kicker. I've got a game-changing side hustle that's proven to work. It's not about selling products or recruiting. It's about tapping into your unique skills and passions and turning them into income. And guess what? You don't need a huge investment or a tech degree. So, if you're done with the 9-to-5 grind and ready to take control of your financial future, head over to 20tofreedom.com. It's time to embrace a new chapter, break free from the ordinary, and step into a world of endless possibilities. Don't wait, your journey to freedom starts now. Visit 20tofreedom.com and let's make it happen together.